Welcome to the world of ham radio. Today, I would like to tell the importance of ham radio with the episode of ham radio team of Andhra Pradesh participating in the biggest disaster, that is Gujarat earthquake. Many people still thinks or it is a misconception even in some of the official echelons also. They think with the advent of technology, we are having all types of communication system, internet, cell communication, and all other things. Then what is the necessary of going for a technology which is considered to be the old technology, that is ham radio? This question was put forward even in Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, which was situated in Mussoorie, Uttaranchal. When I went to as a faculty member for providing training to all the IAS and IPS, all other all India level officers, one question was arised. They were directly asked me this question: what is the necessity of going for this old technology when already new technology is available with us? Then I take some time to answer them in a proper manner. A cyclonic storm like the one which inflicted in Orissa and caused enormous loss, and one earthquake that caused and inflicted enormous human loss and as well as property losses.